Hey guys, I've been wanting to make this video for a while. I just hadn't got down here to do it. We're in the woods behind my house. We had some strong, really strong Kentucky winds about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and just want to show you. There's the old shooting box that I always shoot into. That's about had it. The wind kind of sunk it in the center there. There's an old brush pile. I was wanting to show you guys, but like I said, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, we had some really, really heavy winds. Let me walk down here. Watch out for the snakes, I guess. I want you guys to take a look at this. See that big? It's a big root system off of that large, very large tree that's leaning up against the other trees. See if I can walk over here. If you get a closer look down there. Oh, you probably can't see because of the sunlight, but over here is another one. Check that out. I mean, that's huge. I'll fall and bust my big ass right here. Look at the size of that tree. Oh, there's another one I just seen. Let me get down to this little creek. There's another one right there. See if I can get up under this. Let's take a... This is a little tour in the back of Ammo Head 73's house. Look at that. I'm 6'2", and I'm standing under this root system. Look. It's over 7 foot tall, at least. See if I can get a better angle at it. Walk up this, let's see. It's pretty wild what wind can do, ain't it? What gets me is it just happened right here. As you can see, there's trees behind me, which up there, if you can tell, is my house. Trees to the left, trees to the right that are still standing, trees right in front of me. So it just happened right here in this one small spot. I don't know, makes you kind of think a small tornado just set down right here. I don't know, but the size of these root systems that just got knocked over is amazing. And there's the back side of that one. Alright, crossed over the creek. There's another one laid down over there. It's just wild. It's amazing. There's actually 3 trees right there that's been blown over. And here's the big, where's that? Right here. So this happened about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I can't remember. But I remember the wind, it sounded like a damn train coming through. Used to be something for Dylan will be down here playing on these logs. I used to like to do that. Hang on. Well, anyway, that's about it. I just want to share with you guys what some wind can do. Daggone. Here's the first big one, and actually that over there is actually taller. It'd make a heck of a backstop for shooting, wouldn't it? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.